Here we have an annual cicada, male, on my finger. Going to try to get him to make some noise. Very friendly. This is an annual cicada. We get these every year. You can hear the rest of the cicadas around here at the Odessa Park. Up here, there's a cicada killer up in this tree looking for a cicada. Actually, let me put this cicada in the branch. There we go. I'll put him in the branch. See if I can get the cicada killer up here flying around. They're hunting for cicadas. They sting them, paralyze them, take them back to their underground hole, and and they lay an egg on it. Keeping an eye on this cicada right here. Come on, make some more sound. He's flapping his wings. That's a mating call to communicate with the females, as well as when he makes his noise. Females are silent, they don't make the noise, just the males. There he goes. There's another cicada up here in this tree, same tree. Go a little bit closer. Delaware annual cicada. There he is. up in this big tree. See if I can see any more of the cicada killers flying around. And they're up here hunting for cicadas. All right, this is Ed. Everybody have a great day, and don't forget, God bless.